In this video, Timmy's going to show you how to make a shortcut to a website on a Chromebook. So, if there's a website that you often visit on your Chromebook, you don't have to open a new tab and type the address every time you want to go to it. You can actually create a shortcut to it on the shelf across the bottom of the screen, as though it's an app. And then you can easily open it with one click whenever you want to. So, to create a shortcut, all you have to do is go to the website you want to create a shortcut to. Timmy's going to create a shortcut to techtimewithtimmy.com. You probably won't want to do that, but just go wherever you want to create a shortcut to. So we'll go up here and go to techtimewithtimmy.com as an example. And you can make a shortcut to a specific page if you want to. So if you wanted to click here on the videos page or something to make a shortcut to that page, you could. And then every time you click on the shortcut, it would take you straight into this page. But for this example, Timmy's just going to go with the home page. So now, once you've pulled up whatever page of whatever website you want to make a shortcut to, just come up and click on these three dots in the top right-hand corner up here. And then in this menu that appears here, come down and hover your mouse over More Tools. And then in this menu that appears to the side, click Create Shortcut. And now, as you can see, it'll pop up with this box here, and you get to choose the name of your shortcut. And by default, it just puts in the name of the website. So that's probably fine, and you could probably leave it. But if you wanted a slightly different name, you could click in this box and change that to whatever you wanted. And there's also this box you can tick that says Open as Window. So if you tick this box, the website will open in a separate window, and it will feel more like opening an app instead of opening a website. It's really up to you which way you want to do it, but for now, Timmy's going to leave this box unticked, and then Timmy will come back later on in the video and make a new shortcut with the box ticked so that you can see what it's like both ways. So, once you're happy with all these options, you can go ahead and click Create to create the shortcut. And now the shortcut will be created. But as you'll see, the shortcut has not yet appeared down here because it's like installing a new app on your Chromebook. It won't show up on the shelf straight away. So if you click on the circle in the bottom left-hand corner down here to bring up all your apps, you should find the shortcut somewhere in here. Here it is here with the Tech Time with Timmy logo, because it's a shortcut to the Tech Time with Timmy website. So if you want to, you could just come in here and click on it in here every time you wanted to open it. But you'll probably want to pin the shortcut to your shelf to make it easier to access. So to do that, just right-click on the shortcut here. So hover your mouse over it and then click down with two fingers at once on your trackpad, or click on the right click button on your mouse, and then this menu will appear, and you can click Pin to Shelf here. And now, as you can see, down here on the shelf is the shortcut. So if we go and close that website now, so the website is no longer open, whenever you want to open it, all you need to do is come down here to the shelf and click on the shortcut, and it'll immediately open the new tab and bring up the website in it. So that's really cool, and that's all there is to it. That's how you can create a shortcut on your Chromebook. But as you can see, it's opened the website in a new tab in the regular Chrome window with all the other tabs, because we didn't tick that box that said Open as a Window. So this is quite good if you want it to feel more like a website, but if you want to tick that box and have it feel more like an app, when we come over to a different website, we'll go with cloudconvert.com, which is a website that allows you to convert pretty much any file into pretty much any other file. It's really quite cool. But we'll come over to this website and we'll click on the three dots again, come down to more tools, click create shortcut, and the name's Cloud Convert. That's pretty good. So now, if we tick this box so that it will open as a window, you'll see when we click the create button, it will immediately pop the website out into its own window like this. So as you can see, you can't see the address or any other tabs or anything like that in this window. It's just the website in a window as though it's an app. And you can click and drag on the sides here. So we can click and drag like that to change the size, and we can drag the window around. We can make it bigger if we want, make it full screen, and you can close it just as though it's an app. And of course, you will still have to pin it to the shelf if you want it pinned to the shelf. So we'll come back to the circle in the bottom left-hand corner, and you'll see here's the shortcut here, Cloud Convert. So we'll just right click on that and click pin to shelf. And now, whenever you want to open that website, you'll just click on the shortcut on the shelf down here, and it will open in its own window as though it's a completely different app, even though it's really just a website. So that's all there is to creating a shortcut to a website on a Chromebook. Whether you left that box unchecked to have the website open in a regular tab, or you tick the box for more app-like experience, that's how it's done. So, hopefully you found this video helpful, and if you want more Chromebook tutorials like this, Timmy has a whole playlist of them here.